Welcome to Focus and Finance, the channel where smart minds come to grow their money and sharpen their financial future. Whether you're planning your first side hustle or building long-term wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 passive income ideas for 2025, real, actionable ways to earn money, even while you sleep. Let's break them down. Dividend stocks, let your money work for you. Buy shares in companies that reward investors through regular payouts called dividends. The best part? You get paid whether the stock price goes up or down. Reinvest those dividends, and you unlock the magic of compound growth. Real estate crowdfunding, own property without the headache. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects without becoming a landlord. No maintenance, no phone calls from tenants, just hands-off income from rent and property value growth. Online courses, teach once, earn forever. Got skills? Package them into an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable handle everything from hosting to payments, leaving you with recurring income from students around the world. Self-publishing ebook, words that pay. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing lets anyone publish and sell ebooks with zero upfront cost. Write once, publish once, and earn royalties for years to come. Affiliate marketing, get paid to recommend. Promote products you believe in and earn commissions when people buy through your links. From Amazon to ClickBank, the opportunities are endless and the income potential is scalable. Print on demand, sell custom merch without inventory. Design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or art prints, and let services like Printful or Redbubble handle the rest. They print, package, and ship, you just collect your share. YouTube automation channels, content without being on camera. Start a faceless YouTube channel using voiceovers and stock footage. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all without showing your face or filming yourself. Stock photography and video, sell your shots. Are you handy with a camera? Websites like Shutterstock, Pencils, and Adobe Stock pay creators for photos and video clips each time someone downloads them. Upload once, get paid forever. Mobile app or software development, code your cash flow. If you can build a useful app or software tool, even something niche, you can earn from App Store sales, subscriptions, or ads. Create once, and let the downloads turn into dollars. High-yield savings and peer-to-peer lending. Not every passive income stream has to be complex. High-yield savings accounts and peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow your money to work while you stay in control of your time. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a smart way to build long-term financial freedom. The sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. Which of these income streams are you planning to try first? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Focus and Finance for more smart money ideas every week.